I haven't got the best condition of chest. I've always been a bit chesty, so I've lost 2.5 stone. I find now I can breathe easier. That's all I've done is cut out all the goodies, eat less and cut out all the niceties, the chocolates and sweets and things, you know. If I hadn't come on this course, I wouldn't have taken the weight loss so serious.
He was a Sudani national who came here to seek asylum, and he was helping the caseworker and other service providers with the interpretation. That meant he needed some professional training in interpretation and translation, which he undertook at Cardiff. So he could put the skills that he learned through that course into the job that he was doing here directly. The proper communication skills, which are so vital when you're dealing with clients who come from more than 40 nationalities, speaking more than 30 languages.
In 2005, I came here to Newport in Wales, which is my city now. I feel that I'm from Wales.
Being a heroin addict, all you're interested in is going to get that. And that's all you ever are interested in for a long time. That's all that was on my mind. I got kicked out at 15. Then I went to a school for misbehaving children and I did 2 GCSEs and got grade E. So if I hadn't come back to college when I did, I think by now I'd probably end up in prison.
I'm working for Women into Trade. We're all women company, electricians, plasterers, plumbers. I'm the only one that's gas qualified. I'm currently training 2 other plumbers to do a gas qualification the same as mine. Coming back into learning, I've lost 3.5 stone. I'm a lot happier in myself. I'm going out to do a job that I love doing. It's ideal, it's flexible where I work. I got time for me and the kids. I got more money to spend on them now and they're happy with that.
I suffer from depression, and when people upset me, I used to go into my little corner. Now, I just take it with a pinch of salt. I've learned to cope with it, because during my learning, you also build up on confidence, and that's what I've done. Now, I will talk it through. If there's a problem, I will talk it through. And before I ever learned, I couldn't do that.
I was unemployed for a number of years. I wanted to do a job that was playing to my strengths. It's changed my life dramatically that I now play a musical instrument, and I teach music as well. I'm now very busy, I'm in demand, I perform in concerts, I can give something back to the students. I can see in their faces what they hope to achieve, and I can help them achieve that.
I was smoking 20 plus a day. I give up because I was finding that I didn't really want to smoke because I was feeling happy and better about myself. My self-esteem had gone up and I didn't feel the need to smoke anymore. I didn't have any goals in my life, and education is a good goal to have.